Welcome to the Nural Sales app tutorial series. In this series, we'll guide you step by step through the various features and modules of the Nural Sales application. Let's get started. Begin by opening the Nural Sales app on your mobile device. Once you're on the main dashboard, locate and tap on the Attendance module. In the Attendance screen, you will be able to see your current location displayed on the map. The app may ask for access to your location services. Please ensure that your location is turned on and grant the necessary permissions for accurate attendance tracking. Next, tap on the Take Selfie button to capture your image for attendance verification. After capturing the selfie, click on the Submit Message option to enter your remarks or any relevant notes for the day. Once this is done, the Check-in button will be displayed. Tap on the Check-in button to finalize and mark your attendance. You will then see a confirmation message indicating that your attendance has been successfully marked. Once you have marked your attendance, you can later return to the Attendance module to complete the checkout process. When you open the Attendance tile again, you will now see the Checkout button. Click on the Checkout button to log off for the day. After you click on Checkout, you will see a confirmation message indicating that your attendance has been successfully checked out. That's it. You've now completed both the attendance check-in and checkout processes in the Nural Sales application. Thank you for using Nural Sales.